Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel so that you can share that with others very easily and they can play your videos without having to select one at a time. So anywhere that you are in the YouTube app, in the lower right corner where it says library, tap on that. And from here you can get to your videos. There's probably other ways you can get there, but this is just one way. So you tap on your videos and then find a video that you want to add to your playlist. So let's pretend the playlist you want to create is a collection of peaceful songs. So let's pretend that let's see, that this song here is a peaceful song. So I tapped on the 3 dots to the right of that video, and then I'm going to select Save to Playlist, and then I'm going to create a new playlist. Now right here you're seeing a list of playlists I've already created. If you've never created one, then you're probably just going to see Watch Later, which is one that YouTube creates automatically. So when you click on New Playlist, then you type in what you want to call your playlist, and you can change this at any time. So if you make a mistake, don't worry, you can always go back and change it. Then we want to make it public so you can share it, and then hit Create, and then it says it created it. Then hit See List, and then you'll see there it is, Peaceful Songs, and you've only got the one in there right now. So now if you want to add another thing in there, it doesn't make sense to have a playlist with one thing in there because there's no need then. So in the upper left hand corner there's a back arrow, so hit that and then pick the next video that you want in there. So let's say this one. Then you tap on the 3 dots on the right side, select Save to Playlist, and now the one I just created, Peaceful Songs, is at the top of the list. So instead of hitting plus new playlist, I can just tap and make a check mark next to that Peaceful Songs playlist. Now notice down below there are check marks next to Newest and Heart Village because this video, I already added it to those playlists. But when you do this, then if you have no other playlists, then you shouldn't see anything else down below. Okay? So, and then you don't have to hit save or enter anything. It just automatically does it. So then you can just slide this down and then pick another video. So let's say we want to do this one. Save to Playlist. And then again, select which one you want it to be in. If you decide you don't want it in these other ones, or you made the wrong selection, you can just click it again and then pick another one. So, okay, I'm gonna reselect these just because that's where they were. Okay, or if you decide, hey, I don't want this one in Peaceful Songs, I want to create another one called Upbeat Songs. Then you can create Upbeat Songs. Same thing, make it public, create, and it says playlist created, see list. Now let's say for some reason you missed it and that thing went away and now you're like, oh no, how do I see my playlist? Don't worry, just in the upper left corner you always have your back arrow, so hit the back arrow. And so you see you have the history section and you have another row for playlists. So if we refresh the screen, and the way we refresh it is by just dragging down. So just put our finger anywhere and drag down. So I'm holding down on the screen and dragging it down and then letting go. And then and you see it has Upbeat Songs and Peaceful Songs. Okay, so now if you want to see what you have in there, and there's a number. So it says 1 on upbeat songs and then 2 on peaceful songs. That tells you how many videos are in there, so you have an idea. Okay, and then if you just tap on the picture or tap on the words, then it'll open it and you can see exactly what's in there. If you decide like, oh, you know what, I don't want this in there after all, then you just tap on the 3 dots of that video. So tapping on the 3 dots usually gives you options. And then it says remove from peaceful songs, or you can save it to another playlist. So let's tap remove from peaceful songs, and you can see it removed it. Okay, and if you decide you don't want this playlist at all anymore for some reason, in the upper right corner, 3 dots, tap on it. You can delete the playlist altogether. Okay, if you made a mistake, you always can hit cancel. But I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Okay, so we still have our upbeat songs there. Tap on that. You can see what's in there. So I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Like if you see the pencil, that means you can edit. So if you hit that, you can edit the title, you can edit the privacy, okay? If you want to collaborate with somebody, you can hit that, and it, just read what it says. It says, collaborators can add videos. They will be listed here. So you just turn that on by tapping on it, and then they give you a link. You copy that link and send it to email or a comment or whatever mode of communication you have with someone, and when they click on the link, it'll bring them into your playlist and they can start adding in a similar way. Okay, and now for sharing. So let's I just hit the back button, and then I'm hitting the X to get out of there. And so now if you want to share, always look for that share arrow that points to the right. So next to the pencil is the share, and that will give you options for sharing. The easiest one is just to do copy link at the bottom. It says it's copied. Now wherever you paste it, then it will paste it. So like, let's say somebody made a comment on a video and asked you to create a playlist, and you can go over there and you can paste that in there. So let's go back and let's pick a video here. So if we tap on this video, I'm gonna pause it so it's not playing. Let's go to the comments, and then we can, let's say, reply to this one. We're hitting the 3 buttons. Oh, no, sorry, that's the wrong one. I guess we have to hit the little reply thing here. Yeah, it says add reply. Don't just put a link in there. You should say something like, here's a link to the playlist you asked for, and then you can paste it. You just tap, so bring up paste, you hit paste, and there it is. Okay, and then you would hit your send to send it, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want it to go through. Okay, so if you have any questions on any of this, then please make a comment on this video, or you can email me if you prefer to have some privacy. So let me bring up my information here. So there's my email address, CandiceWynneUS@gmail.com. Make sure you put the dots in there. And if you would like to support my channel with a monetary donation, then you can do that here at bit.ly/Aloha Jedi. And I also provide other services. So here you can see that I'm a wellness guide, I'm a technology tutor, as well as doing social media. So when you click on that link, it'll bring you to my website here, which is a blog, and I offer other things here. So if you click on support, then you can support me with $1, or you can change it to $3, to $5, to any amount you want that you can enter there. Okay? I appreciate anything that you can help me with, whether that is encouragement or money or bartering services or things. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you.